Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Asana. If you've ever made a quick change and immediately regretted it, this simple feature will save you time and keep your projects organized exactly the way you need them. First, navigate to the project or task list where you made the change. This is important because Asana's undo feature is context-specific, meaning it works within the area where you performed the action. Whether you're working in a list view, board view, or timeline, make sure you're in the right project space where the change occurred. After making a change, such as editing a task, moving it to a different section, or updating its due date, immediately look for the pop-up message at the bottom left corner of your screen. This message will say Action Done and includes an undo button right next to it. Asana displays this notification automatically whenever you make a change, giving you a quick and easy way to reverse your action without having to manually restore everything. Click the undo button in the pop-up message to revert your last change. The beauty of this feature is its simplicity. One click and your task returns to its previous state, whether that means restoring deleted text, moving a card back to its original column, or reverting a status update. It's a straightforward fix that eliminates the hassle of trying to remember exactly what you changed. Here's something crucial to keep in mind. Avoid navigating away from the page before clicking undo as the option disappears. The pop-up notification only stays visible for a few seconds, and if you click elsewhere or switch to another project, you'll lose the opportunity to use it. This means timing is everything. If you realize you've made a mistake, act quickly and click that undo button before moving on to your next task. This feature is especially helpful when you're working fast and making multiple changes in succession. It acts as a safety net, allowing you to experiment with different workflows or reorganize tasks without worrying about permanent consequences. If something doesn't look right, you can simply undo it and try again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.